Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you dear students for maths class. So in the lesson multiplication and division, I have already taught you how we can do multiplication. So today we are going to focus on problem set number 14, that is word problems. Okay, so question number 1, few questions I have solved from question number 1. Let's go for now the problem set number 14, word problems. So the first word problem is, as a part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? Now here, so there was an Avoid Plastic campaign and children had made around 25 paper bags. Okay, so each student made 25 paper bags. So like that, how many students are there? 745 students were there. So what we have to do? Can we add 25 bags 745 times? No, we cannot do that because it will take us lot of time. So instead of that, what we do? We do simple multiplication. So what we have to do here? Multiplying 745 students, which were the number of students, and 25 bags were made by each student. Each student made 25. So if 2 students made 25 bags, so it will be 25 plus 25, 50, or 25 multiplied by 2 is also 50. If 3 students, 25 plus 25 plus 25, it becomes 75. Or we can also do 25 multiplied by 3, which comes to 75. So that means we cannot add 25 745 times. It will take us lot of time. So we will now do multiplication of 745 students multiply by 25. Fine. So how we will write this? We will write like this. 745. Okay, so here 745 were the students, number of students, and each of these students made 25 bags. So we have to find out now, if one makes 25 bags, 745 will make how many bags? So let's find out by multiplying. So let's do the multiplication. First we have to multiply 5 with 5, 4 and 7, and then after finishing 5 we will take 2 tens, that is 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 7. That clear, students? So let's say the table of 5. You know 5 5s are 25. Okay, you have to say with me. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So you will write 5 here, carry 2. Okay, you can write it on the sides also, no problem. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2. Now what you have to do? 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 becomes 22. Again carry 2. Then 5 7s are how much, students? Yes, say the table. Okay, 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 becomes 37. Okay, 37. So there is no more number to carry on. Therefore, we will write 37 directly here. Fine, student. Now we have to go for 2. Okay. So when we are going for the tens place, we have to write in units place 0, because when you are multiplying 2 tens with 5, okay, that means 20 multiplied by 5 we are actually doing. 20 multiplied by 5, we are getting the answer 100. So 100 means you will get 1 0 0. Okay. So now also that 0 means this one. Remember that. Okay. So now what you are getting? Actually 5 2s are 10. Okay. So 0 we have already written. Now this is 10. So out of 10 what you are going to write here? You are going to write here 0. What is carried over? 1 is carried over. So see, both the zeros of 100 have come here. Correct? No? So therefore here always remember we are writing 0. When we are going for the tens place, in units place you will write 0. When we are going for hundreds place, you will write for both units place and tens place 0 0. Now since here it is only 2 digit, so we are going to get only 2 steps here. Fine, student. Now we have multiplied 5 with 2, we are getting the answer 10. So we have written 0 here, 1 is carried. Now we have to multiply 4 with 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8 or 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 8 7 2s are or 2 7s are 14. So there is no more number to carry. So you will write 14 as it is. And now you have to add these two numbers. Once you add, you will get the final answer. That many bags 745 students must have made. So let's see how many bags they made. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 16, 6 right here, carry 1 here. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, and 1 here. So you are getting the answer 18,625 paper bags were made by 745 students. So how you are going to write? You are going to write according to the question asked. The question is, what was the total number of paper bags made? Therefore, you are going to write here, therefore, 18,625 bags were made by the students. Okay, 18,625 bags were made. Okay, because the students is not mentioned, so you will write what? 18,625 bags were made in total. Okay, so this is the first word problem. Let us take one more problem. Okay, then we will go for the next one. Okay, next problem is, in a plantation, saplings of 215 medicinal trees have been planted in each of the 132 rows of trees. How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? So what is asked here? So there is a plantation here like this. Fine. And there are altogether how many rows? There are 132 rows. So I cannot draw 132, but I will mention to you like this. There are how many? 132 rows are there. And each of these rows, how many medicinal trees or saplings of medicinal trees are there? Around 215. So in this one row, 215. So like that, in each of 132 rows, 215 saplings are planted. So again, we cannot add 215 plus 215 plus 215. How many? 132 times we cannot add. What you have to do when we cannot add such a big number? We have to go for multiplication. So that means we have to multiply 215 multiplied by 132 rows. Okay, students. So let's write the data and then we will multiply. Is that clear, students? So let's begin. So the data I have written now. 215 were saplings of medicinal trees and 132 were number of rows of trees. Okay, students. Now if you see, it is both of them are 3-digit numbers. So therefore, since the second number is 3-digit, we will get 3 steps. In hundreds place also, we will have to multiply. So let's multiply this. What we are getting here now? We have to multiply 2 with 5, 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 5, 3 with 1, 3 with 2, 1 with 5, 1 with 1, 1 with 2. Okay, students, let's then find out what is the total answer or how many plantations were there altogether. So let's start this problem now. Okay, so now you have to say the table of 2 or say the table of 5, anything. You say 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. So you'll write 0 here out of 10. 0 you'll write here, carry 1. Okay, or 1 here you can write. Then 2 1s are 2. This you have to remember, but wherever you are carrying it, you have to remember, keep it in your mind. Okay, now here I have written, so I will keep it in mind that I have written here. Otherwise, if I forget that whatever I have carried over, then the answer will be wrong. So always remember that you have written here whatever is carried. So 2 5s are 10. So 0 you are writing here, 1 you have written here. 2 1s are 2 plus this 1 becomes 3. So nothing is carried now. Cancel that. Now 2 2s are 4. Okay, that means 215 multiplied by 2 is 430. Now you know when you are going for the second number, that is tens place, you will write 0 in units place, because it is actually 3 tens means 30 multiplied by 5. Then 1 hundreds means 100 multiplied by 5, like that it is. Okay, so now we are going for 3 tens. So 3 5s are or 5 3s are 50. 15. Okay, so carry 1. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, student. So 3 twos are 6. Now there is nothing is carried. Okay, because 3 ones are 3 plus 1 we have taken 4. So nothing is carried. So now what we have to do? 3 twos are 6. Okay, so write here and then you have to add here. Fine, students. Now next one is 1 fives are or 5 ones are 5. But then before you write the answer, you have to place zeros under unit place as well as under tens place, because we have now gone for 100 place. Okay, so these unit and tens place you will write 0 0. So now actually when you are multiplying 1 fives are, actually you are multiplying 100 multiplied by 5. 100 multiplied by 5 becomes 500. Correct? So 500 you are getting. So you have already written 0 0 here. So what is remaining now? 5 is remaining. So that you will write here. Okay, now because nothing is carried, no one more digit has come, so you will not get it carried because it is 1. So always when you multiply with 1, you will not get two digits at a time, only 1 digit, or if it is 2 digit you will get 2 digit only. Fine. Now 1 fives are 5 you have written, 1 ones are 1 and 1 twos are 2. Again you have to add and find out the answer. What you are getting here now? 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 plus 3 is equal to, come on student, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 0 is equal to also 8. Fine. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. 8 plus 5 is, come on, think. It is 13. Okay. Or you can do this way also. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 4 is also equal to 13. So carry 1 here. Now 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. And this 2, nothing is there above. So that means 2 will remain as 2. Now what is the answer? You are getting 28,380 were the number of medicinal plants planted in each of these each is 215. In altogether 132 rows, 28,380 trees, medicinal trees were planted. So now what we are going to write? We have to write the statement. So what will be the statement? How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? So there are 28,380 saplings. So therefore you will write here. Okay, so there you can see down. So I will write here now. Therefore, there are, according to the question only, there are 28,380 saplings altogether. See that students, you have to by heart at least up to 20 table. Okay, multiplication table is a must for this lesson. Not only for multiplication, even for division when you are doing, you have to know the tables by heart. So you see that you will by heart at least up to 20 table. I'll show you some methods also to make the tables again little ahead when we are doing division. Fine students, so now let's go for the next question. That is, the next question is, one computer cost 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computers cost? So if one computer is 27,540 rupees, therefore like that 18 computers are there. Altogether all these 18 computers total will come, or what will be the cost of all these? That we have to find by multiplying 27,540 with 18. Is that clear students? So let's do that also now. So here students, I have written the data now. So cost of one computer is 27,540 rupees, and there are how many computers in total? There are 18 computers. So we have to find the cost of all the 18 computers by multiplying 18 computers with the cost of one computer. So let's start multiplying. Here we will get only 2 steps because the second number is 2-digit number. So only we will get 2 steps. So let's do it now. Okay. So you know that yesterday I have told you that when you multiply any number with 0, you will always get the answer 0. So therefore 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay student. Then 8 fours are, what is the answer? 8 fours are 30. Come on, say the table. Yes, 8 4s are 32 or 4 8s are 32. So you write 2 here and carry over 3. Okay, keep it in mind that you have written here. Now 8 5s are, come on, say the table. 8 5s are or 5 8s are, yes, 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. Now carry 4. Fine. Now what we have to do? 8 7s are or 7 8s are. What is the answer? Come on students, say the table. 8 7s are how much? 8 7s are 56. Very good. So 6 you have to write here. Carry, okay, sorry, 56 plus this 4. This 4 is nothing but it comes to 60. 56 plus 4 is 60. So carry 6 above. Okay. Now 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6. Come on. 16 plus 6 is 20. Plus 6 is 22. Okay. So 16 plus 6 becomes 22. So you write here now 22 directly because there is no other number after 2. So you write here 22 as it is. Now what we have to multiply now? 1 we have to multiply with all this number, and any number multiplied with 1 is always that same number. Okay, so that means this same number will come here. But before that you have to remember that you have to put a 0 here under the units place. So now what you have to do? 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4 or 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, then 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2. Now what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers. Now what you have to do? Just go on adding these digits to each other. Now, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 4 is, or 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 5 or 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, what you are getting the answer? You are getting the answer. The cost of 18 computer comes to around 4,95,720. Okay, isn't it big number? Yes, it is a big number. So 4,95,720 rupees is the cost of total cost of all the computers. So how much will 18 such computers cost? So what you will write? 18 such computers will cost rupees 4,95,720. So what you will write? 18, therefore, right here, therefore 18 such computers will cost how much? Rupees. Okay, rupees you have to write like this. Rupees 4,95,720. Okay students, so this is how you are supposed to write the answer. Is that clear? So 18 such computers will cost rupees 4,95,720 rupees. Fine. Now I have solved 3 questions. Now what you have to do for your homework? You have to solve question number 5 and 6 along with these questions also. Whatever I have shown you, you have to see the video and you have to try to write on your own. Is that clear? Second thing, you have to complete even question number 5 and 6 on your own. Fine. Then 7, 8 and 9 in the next class or in the next video I am going to explain to you. So till then you have lot of time to solve. So students, question number 2, 3, 4 you solve, plus as a homework for you on your own you have to solve question number 5 and 6. Okay students, I hope so you have understood. Please see that you try to practice, then only you will get to solve multiplication, and for multiplication tables are a must. So thank you dear students, thank you very much.